Okay, so let's see how to create such kind of pendant. So front portion is in little bit front side, and back portion is round portion is back side with having total distance 7.09. Okay, so now first let's create boundary. Okay, before that first I have set the image scale with 17.75 mm top to bottom height, and then I have just created circle, and then let's make offset of 1.5 mm. Okay, now let's create inside design. So let's first try arc if arc is possible, because it will create smooth curve. Okay, it's not possible, so let's make create using interpolate curve. So these are the knots, so make sure you click properly. Okay, after creating you can also adjust your control points. So adjustment of control points makes the more tracing properly. So use tracing, scaling and all the options to make the curve smooth. Make sure it should not be bump anywhere. Okay, so let's set the points. Okay, in last we will mirror this option, mirror this curve, sorry. Okay, now let's use offset again, and 1.5 outer side. Okay, so I have just closed, I have used closed option. Okay, now we are going to mirror the curves. Okay, you can also adjust your curves according to photo, but for now this is okay. Inside we will use solitaire later, but outer shape is most important for us for right now for this design. So we have the query is for the overall shape, how to create fast overall shape. So now I'm just creating extra layer to keep unwanted curves or unwanted surfaces there. Okay, so now hide image, which I already have shifted to layer 7. It's a lock layer. Okay, so these curves are little bit ahead. So now let's delete unnecessary curves. Okay, this is look okay. So now select the curves one by one, and you can use shift key to use multiple selection. Okay, for right now I have used twin curve command, okay, to create in between curve, because twin curve we are going to use as a final merging curve. So for that we are going to use twin curve. Okay, our front design, front side portion is little bit curvature, so make such kind of curve using side view. For right now I'm just taking this kind of curve. Okay, put it to the center, almost center to the curve. Also adjust this center curve. Okay, now use curve to two view option one by one. So curve to two view will merge the two curves and create another final output curve. So we have to create curve one by one. Okay, let's join these are the join curves. Okay, let's first to join them. Okay, so curve to two view will create this resultant curve as shown in the screen. Okay, so use all three curves for curve to two view options. Okay, so twin curve and curve to two view, these both the options are very wonderful for this kind of shape. Okay, so let's split the curves. Okay, I'm using 1.25 mm distance. Let's copy this line from this point to this point. Okay, this is for the cross section. Okay, now let's join them. Okay, just also copy this curve from this end to this end. Okay, we have to use sweep 1 command and sweep 2 command. For that we are preparing these curves. So we will also make sure that we will have the middle curve. Okay, I'm just hiding the curves. Now let's work on backside curves. So backside two circles, we need to cut them. So I'm using a line from center of the circle to some particular angle. If you don't have angle, you can take randomly and just mirror it. Okay, so mirror from the center point, and now use split command. So go to split and select the cutting object. Now move the extra curves to the extra layers. So right click on the layer and click on change object layer. Okay, so make sure in the mind that we are going to use sweep 1 and sweep 2 command in future. So we have to prepare the all the curves accordingly. So okay, now let's hide unnecessary curves because okay, let's first offset and make another copy. So you have to keep pressing Alt key and specify distance. So the another curve copy will be created at 1.25 distance. Now use 3-point rectangle. So first, second, and third. Okay, now use same method to another side, another end. First, second, and third. Okay, now let's use twin curve. Okay, because we are going to use resultant curve of these two curves. We need twin curve from these two curves. Okay, this center curve will be very useful in future. Okay, here we will also going to use twin curve for intermediate curve. Okay, let's move this curve to another layer to hide them because we don't want unnecessary curves. Okay, now let's create again twin curves. Okay, so it will automatically create center curve of the in between two curves, so that is called twin curves. Okay, this is very wonderful result. Now we can use adjustable curve blend from this curve to this curve. Okay, so we will also have different options, tangency, curvature, we can also use them, but this is very wonderful merging. Okay, so from this curve to this curve. Okay, we are not using join option because it will join them, so it could be possible to error in some commands, so keep unjoin them. And now let's complete this cross section. Now join the cross section. Okay, and join another cross section. Okay, so this is fine. Now let's use sweep to first rail, second rail, and cross section. It will create complete 3D shape. Okay, now we are going to use same command for this cross section. Okay, and now merge, this is merging curve. So let's use sweep one rail, select the rail and two cross sections, start and end cross section. Now okay, so this is wonderful result, wonderful merging. Okay, so the adjustable curve blend has make the very wonderful effect. Okay, so let's try to mirror this. Oh, the upper portion is not properly matching. Let's try from this end. Oh, this is also not going properly. The this another side end is not merging properly. Still output can be done, but this is the ends are not perfectly matched, so we have to match them. Okay, see, this is slightly ups and downs in another end. So we have another option, but let's make sure that it's not perfectly merging. Now let's check it using render option. So in render view, it is available here. You can also see properly. Now select curves and move them to another layer, so we can see the final rendered image properly. Okay, so you can see here ups and downs. Okay, so if we want to sorry, if we want to perfectly merge them, okay, let's make object trim from the center, exactly center. So we have to create one line exactly from the center of the object, and let's trim extra all the extra portion. So select first line, then click on trim and click unwanted portions. So directly create rectangle. Okay, so it will directly trim those objects, and now we can mirror completely this object to another side. Okay, so this is now perfectly merged. You can use render option, so nothing is overlapping now. Okay, this object is open poly surface, so we have to use cap planar holes. Okay, let's see, it's not in surface. Okay, not in surface, it's a solid command. Okay, so cap planar hole is a solid modeling command. You can directly type in cap command or go to solid option, and you can see here it's cap planar holes. Okay, so now this is also open. Again use cap planar holes and make sure this is the mirrored object, so automatically it will be get closed. So you make sure all the objects are closed poly surface. They are only the 3D, another otherwise they will keep open surface. Okay, now select them and group them, so these are showing all the closed solid poly surface. Okay, so this is now perfect. Okay, so two objects are merging and turning perfectly. Thank you.